This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Hi Ho. Open house May 3rd 4 to 6 p.m., May 4th 12 to 2 p.m. Welcome to this one-of-a-kind home located at 5813 Cheval Street in Milton, Florida. This property stands out with its cathedral ceilings, creating a vast, open space that fills with natural light. Positioned on a sizable corner lot, it offers extensive outdoor areas perfect for leisure and hosting gatherings. Additionally, this home includes a substantial covered carport that provides ample space for vehicle storage or can be used as an extra outdoor living area. For those who appreciate a mix of convenience and style, this home is ideally situated just 30 minutes from the beach and only 10 miles from Naval Air Station Whiting Field. Discover the unique blend of comfort and practicality that this exceptional property delivers. For more